Trains are long-term investments and often runs for decades. It is important to keep it well maintained and upgraded to reduce downtime, giving more comfort to customers and safety reasons. As machineries are becoming smarter with various sensors, railways are also not far behind. A single train have hundreds of sensors which collects data. Companies are collecting those data and they manually analyze, and many of times ignored due to priority. Our AI software for sensor-based data analytics analyzes those data and give meaningful insights in these data to make smarter decisions. Collecting sensor data and doing conditional monitoring is past. The future is preventive and predictive analytics. Tworit with its team of data scientists has developed AI software which takes domain input as all sensor data and build model which can predict the failures, maintenance requirements, recommending personalized services to passengers, comfort of passengers, and most importantly, safety of passengers. A few of applications where Tworit can provide expertise are: based on data from humidity and CO2 sensor data, it analyzes the comfort climate for passengers, removing mist from windows, while improving the energy efficiency of whole system. The cost of savings from our system is significantly high. While braking or accelerating, impact of thousands of tons of weight to stop or start the train presents a technical challenge. Today, the special control systems for drive and brake control or train protection undertake this task. But maintenance of such systems are often overdone or neglected. Our AI software gives precise timings of maintenance, learning from historical data. It also analyzes various root causes of failures, like maintenance was neglected or overspending due to unnecessary maintenance. The bogie not only carries an enormous weight, but it also absorbs the forces acting on the wheels and bearings. For this reason, continuous monitoring of the running gear is particularly important for safe operation. Our AI software helps in doing preventive maintenance. Systems for automatic train protection (ATP) ensure, among other aspects, that the speed allowed is not exceeded and the distance to the train in front is maintained. Our AI software brings intelligence in safety norms by predicting the train movements in advance. Wheel slide protection systems are intended to prevent the blocking of wheel sets during the braking process, causing premature wear and tear. For this reason, wheel slide protection systems control the braking force on each individual axle, predicting blockages of wheels, learning from such historical incidents, further creating predictive alerts for drivers, and presenting drivers with set of actions to overcome this, can be done via Tworit's AI software.